M2 crew, this is your 5.5B review. All right, for the entirety of this quiz, we are using just two formulas. Supplementary, angle plus angle equals 180. We see this with a straight line that produces a straight angle, which is equal to, yes, 180, a linear pair. Whoa, line, pair, 180. Or congruent, angle equals angle. Vertical angles, same sized angles. Oh, in this case, I'm going to give us a little cheat code. Yes, it's just called a math hack. Two odds or two evens will be congruent. And for our supplementary, if we have one odd and one even, well, guess what? That's what it will be, supplementary. All right, we have our potential algebraic solving steps. And let's just go ahead and take a look at number one. Find the measurement of angle 1. All right, if the measurement of angle 1 equals 3x minus 2, and the measurement of angle 2 equals 12x plus 2, well, we can use the eye test. Whoa, two different sized angles. And are they on a line? They sure are. So these two form a linear pair. Whoa, line. What did we talk about that? Supplementary. Angle plus angle equals 180. So let's just go ahead and write that out. 3x minus 2 plus our other angle of 12x plus 2 equals 180. Well, we can't distribute. Can we combine like terms on this left side? Well, let's take a look. Our 3x, what can we combine it with? Great job, 12x, and 3x plus 12x gives us 15x. Our negative 2, we can combine with a plus 2, but if I owed the bank $2 and I paid them back 2 without any interest, I do not owe them anything. We don't even have to put that, so let's do equals 180. All right, whoa, all right, we will divide each side by 15 because, yes, that 15x tells us to do 15 times x equals, in our calculator, should be 12-piece nugget. And let's just go ahead and plug in. Find the measurement of angle 1. So I did do the light purple here. Angle 1, let me make that a little larger. Equals 3x minus 2. So we're just going to plug in our x here. All right, we have our 3. I'm going to open up. Our x equals 12. I will close. I will continue to write minus 2. This way, our calculator does not make an error. Put it in exactly as I wrote it. 3 times 12 is 36. Minus 2 equals 34 degrees. And go ahead and try yours. For number 2, find the measurement of angle 4. If the measurement of angle 2 equals 6, x plus 4, so we got a little multiplication there. And the measurement of angle 4 equals, 3. And then, so now we have, take a look, 2 and 4. Yes, they are vertical angles. They're equal angles. Or if we started with our 1 and go 2, 3, 4, clockwise all the way through, we also know we have two even numbers. So we will set these equal to one another. Let's go ahead with 6, open, x plus 4, close, equals 3, open, 4x plus 2, close. Well, we do need to distribute this time. 6 times x is, great job, 6x. 6 times 4 is wonderful, plus 24. Bring down our equals, distribute our 3. 3 times 4x is 12x. 3 times 2 is, great job, 6. Now, I always like to add or subtract the term that includes a variable, since we have one on both sides. But I like to choose the one with less value, just like Mr. Petcha. So instead of 12, we will take the 6 and we will subtract 6x from each side. 6x minus 6x, top to bottom, left to right. Yes, bring your 24 down, equals 12x minus 6x is 6x. Bring down our plus 6. And we need to get the 6x by itself. It's hanging out with plus 6, so we will subtract 6 from each side. 24 minus 6 is 18. Bring down the equals. Bring down your 6x, 6 minus 6. Get rid of it. We will divide each side by the coefficient of x. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 6 divided by 6 is simply just 1. Bring down your x. Now, since these are vertical angles, you can plug into either of these two. So it wants to solve for 4, but I also know I can plug in for 2. So I'm actually going to do that just to prove that. Did I do the plug-in in pink? Let me see. No, I did that in light purple. I thought I did that differently. Just want to make sure. That's all. That way we're not looking at two different things. I'm going to bring that all the way down here. And I'm going to do 6. I'm going to write it just like it tells us. I'm going to open my parenthesis. I'm going to plug in my 3 to represent my x. And then I'm going to put in the plus 4. And then I'm just going to hit equals. Well, let's go. 3 plus 4 is 7. So we would do 6 distributed to the 7 equals, or 6 times 7 is 42. But if you put it in your calculator as exactly as you wrote this and hit equals, you would get the exact same answer. And let's move forward to number 3. If the measurement of angle 1 equals 7x minus 4, all right, and the measurement of angle 2 equals 11x minus 14, so we do have a 1 that goes clockwise, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful. We don't have to set it up ourselves yet, as it's right now built in. It wants us to solve for the measurement of angle 4, but we're only working with 1 and 2. All right, now we have 1 odd and 1 even, so we will set this up as angle plus angle equals 180. All right, so we will take our 7x minus 4 plus our 11x minus 14 and set that equal to, wonderful work, 180. From here we will combine like terms. 7x plus 11x, we can vote now. It's 18x. Negative 4 minus 14 is, negative 18. And set that equal to your 180. We need to get 18x by itself. It's hanging out with negative 18. The opposite of a negative is a positive, because when we get to the operations, we play a game of inverse operations. Simply a game of opposites. Equals 198. And if we divide each side by 18, x equals 11. But it does want us to find the measurement for angle 4. Well, 4 is equal to an even number, or its vertical angle, right, directly across it, which is 2. So we're going to plug into angle 2. And we will take this and draw it all the way down here. We will do 11. We will open. Oh my goodness, our x is 11. We'll put that in there. We will close it and put minus 14. Go ahead and put this in your calculator. 11 times 11 is 121 minus the 14 equals a $1.07. Circle your answer, but if you plug that in, feel free. You should have the right answer. If not, leave a comment. If you do catch me making an error, because guess what? I am human. I do make errors all day long, and do computers make errors? They sure do, and we also make those. Find the measurement of angle 8 if the measurement of angle 2 equals 2x plus 37, and the measurement of angle 8 equals 9x. 1, 2, 4, 3. Why do they always try to trick us like this? I don't like it. It doesn't make any sense to me when everyone else follows the clockwise pattern within this so far, but no big deal. What I want us to do is, let's go ahead and right next to the measurement of angle 2, let's put 2x plus 37. All right, let's get rid of this. Now, angle 8 is 9x. Go ahead and put that there and get rid of it. I did that in purple only because we're solving for that later. Now, here's what I like to do. I like to do my little trick. I'm going to get rid of all those. At our intersection that we hit, it's like a four-way stop sign when we drive. I want you to draw a giant circle. If I start in the top left corner and put a 1, I'm going to put a 2, a 3, and a 4. I start with my 1. I go clockwise, 2, 3, 4. I'm also going to do the same thing here. Now, if I started with the 1 in the top left quadrant, well, I also need to put the 1 here. So let's get rid of these. And if I follow clockwise, it'll go 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, and 4. Wonderful. And what do we know? This angle is represented by an even number of 2, and this angle is represented by an odd number of 3. So 1 even, 1 odd is going to be angle plus angle equals 180. You can also use the eye test, as you can surely tell, because we have our line here. And if we went straight up, oh, that would be a 90, and that's less than 90. So that would be acute. And also for this one, if we went straight down, we know it's greater than 90. That would be our obtuse. So you can also use the eye test. Let's just go ahead and set this up then. We'll do 2x plus 37 plus our 9x. Set that equal to 180. And from here, we will just sequence through. Looking on the left side, my 2x I can combine with my 9x, giving us a total of, yes, 11x. My 37 I can't do anything with. We'll just bring it down, as well as our equals 180. Great job, all. Thank you. You are amazing. We need to get 11x by itself. It's hanging out with a positive 37, so we will subtract 37 from each. Bring down our 11x, 37 minus 30. Get rid of it. 180 minus 37 is 143. We will divide each side by 11, giving us 11 divided by 11. Oh, that giant 1. Bring down just your x equals, yes, 13. Great job. Circle that portion, but we need to define the measurement. Oh, find the measurement of angle 8. So angle 8, we substituted our 3 with. We could have left it there, and we can still see that. So we will simply just do 9, open our parenthesis, put in our x of 13, close parenthesis, equals, all right, 9 times 13, well, 13 times 10 is 130. I don't like that. It doesn't sound right to me. I'm not liking it. I felt like it was 117, but I really wasn't feeling too confident. Let's go on to solve for x for number 5. Nice. Number 5 is simply solving for x, and this time they don't even give us the numbers. So first you go clockwise, then you go 1 to Z mode. Okay, and now with nothing. Good news is for us, we know if we use this trick, and if you watch this in a prior video, it works every time. Top left quadrant is a 1. We'll put a 2, a 3, and a 4. And if we have a 1 here, we'll also put a 1 here. Go clockwise, 2, 3, 4. Our 10x minus 16 is represented by, yes, a 4, an even number. Our 2x plus 40 is represented by a 4, an even number. Those are also corresponding angles because they are in the exact same spot. And that same spot is represented by the same number. So 2 evens, yes, we will set this as angle equals angle. So 10x minus 16 equals 2x plus 40. From here we solve. Ooh, we have a term with a variable on both sides, which has less. Wonderful, 2 is. So we will subtract 2x, not just from one side, but to both sides. 10x minus 2x gives us 8x. Bring down your negative 16. Bring down your equals. 2x minus 2x, get rid of. Bring down your 40. 8x minus 16, need to get 8x by itself. It's hanging out that minus 16 or negative 16, so we will add 16 to, wonderful job, both sides. Your 8x, just bring it down, negative 16 plus 16. Set that equal to 40 plus 16, which is 56. And our last step is simply to divide each side by 8. 8 divided by 8 is that giant 1. Bring down your x equals 56 divided by 8 is 7. Moving forward to number 6, it says the measurement of angle 1 equals 35 and the measurement of 3 equals 115. Answer the following. All right, why don't we just do ourselves a favor? Let's put in the measurement of angle 1. Well, that's 35. The measurement of angle 3 is 115 degrees. All right, so an angle that's vertical to angle 3, so directly across from it, is angle 5. And if we know that angle 3 is 115, why don't we just put that 115 right here for now? Angle that's a linear pair with angle 3 needs to go on a line. So we have angle 3, and a line runs here, but we need a pair. And a pair means 2. If we went this side, well, we'd have to combine 3 with not just one other, which would be our pair, but 2. And when we have 3, that doesn't make a pair, that makes a few. But if we look at the line this way, 3 forms a linear pair with, yes, 4. So let's go ahead and do angle 4. Now, if we know a line is equal to 180, well, what's 180 minus 115? Yes, it is 65. Great job. Solve for angle 5. Oh, we already did the vertical angles. Solve for angle 4. We already did it, 65 degrees. Here, solve for angle 2. Well, 65 degrees. Angle 4. Oh, it's a perfect split vertical with 1 and 2. 65 minus 35 gives us 30 degrees. Go ahead and do the exact same on yours. All right, for number 7. In the diagram below, the measurement of angle 2 is 60 degrees. Oh, here we go again. Guess what? For these questions, we don't even need to. All right, angle that's a linear pair with angle 2. Oh, so if I take this line and I go like this, well, angle 1 works. And if I also look at this line, or transversal here, well, angle 2 can be a linear pair with angle 4. So I'm going to put angle 1 and angle 4. Sorry about my writing, it's a little sloppy. Name a corresponding angle to angle 2. So you're looking for the same location. Now, if I do my quadrants like this, I know that the 2 is up top and to the right. So I'm going to go to my other 4 down here, and I'm going to go up top and to the right. So its corresponding angle would be angle 6. Now it says a solve for angle 7. Well, let's just take a look. If 2 is 60, 3 is also 60, which makes 6 60, and 7 is also 60. And now it wants to solve for angle 5. Well, if we know that a linear pair makes 180 degrees, well, what's 180 minus 60? Great job, 120 degrees. Number 8, find the measurement of angle 2 if the measurement of angle 1 equals 15x minus 7, and the measurement of angle 3 equals 8x plus 28. Oh my God, look at all this mumbo jumbo. All right, let's just go ahead and put in 15x minus 7. And let's just go ahead and put in 8x plus 28. That 8 just looked horrible. All right, I am going to use my little cheat system here just to show it to you. And if I start up top, put a 1, again, clockwise, 2, 3, 4. Get rid of that guy. 2, 3, get rid of that guy. 4, and let's do it again. 1, go clockwise, 2, 3, 4. Now, if we look at the angles that it wanted, measurement of angle 2, 1, and 3. Their original 2 is here. Their original 3, hold on, let me just do this. And their original 1 is here. All right, so this is represented by an even number. 2 is represented by an even number. And this 1 is also represented by an even number. All 3 of the angles they're giving us are equal angles. So when we set this up, we are just going to set it up as 15x minus 7 equals 8x plus 28. Term with a variable on both sides, which has less value. Sure, let's get rid of the rookie Kobe and subtract, or the early days Kobe. 15x minus 8x, 7x, bring down your negative 7, bring down your equals, 8x minus 8x, get rid of it, bring down your 28. Yes, I was going to write the plus with it. Our 7x, it's on the same side as the 28 or the negative 7. I know you guys get this every time. Plus 7 to both sides. Bring your 7x down. Negative 7 plus 7, get rid of it. Bring down your equals. 28 plus 7 is 35. Divide each by 7. 7 divided by 7, giant 1. Just bring down your x. Equals 35 divided by 7 is 5. But we need to find the measurement of angle 3. Well, we know we can plug into either of these because they're all equal. Let's go ahead and plug into this biscuit right here. And we will do 8. We will open. We will put in our 5. We will close and write plus 28 equals 68. Guys, that's a wrap. Let's just absolutely destroy this quiz. Let's go!